Hello dear friends, once again welcome to Make Study Point. In this video, I am going to discuss some important property of fluid. First is the density. As density is defined as the mass of liquid per unit volume is known as the density. So density is equal to mass per unit volume. So density is the m with the volume, and so density is equal to the mass upon volume. So in the specific point, the temperature is increasing, so density will decrease. If the temperature is decrease, so density will increase. It is inversely proportional to the temperature. It is only for applicable liquid. So next property is specific weight. It is the ratio of weight per unit volume. So specific weight is equal mass per unit volume. So specific the weight is equal to the mg and v is the volume. So we will get finally formula is rho g. And next specific gravity. It is also known as the relative density. So it is the ratio of specific weight of liquid to the specific weight to the standard fluid like water. So specific gravity is equal to the specific weight of liquid to the specific weight of standard liquid. So specific, this is g, that is cancel. So we will get finally specific gravity is equal to the density of a liquid to the density of standard fluid. So next property is the specific volume. It is the ratio of volume of liquid to the mass of liquid. It is the reciprocal of density. So specific volume is equal volume by mass. So it is inversely proportional to the density. So if specific point the temperature is increased, the specific volume also increase. The temperature is decreased, specific volume also decrease. So next property is the viscosity. Viscosity, it is the property of a fluid which is resist to deform under the shear force is called the viscosity. So it is defined by the Newton's law of viscosity. So according to the Newton's law of viscosity law is this law, the shear force is directly proportional to the velocity gradient. So viscosity is equal shear force by velocity gradient. Where is the V is the viscosity and dy is equal velocity gradient. In key point is increasing the temperature of a liquid, so viscosity will decrease. If the temperature is decreased, so viscosity will increase for only liquid. If in opposite gas is the temperature is increased, so viscosity is also increase. Temperature decrease, so viscosity is decreased for the gas. So next property is pressure. It is defined as the force per unit area is called the pressure of fluid. So pressure is equal to the force per unit area. So force is equal V rho g by A. V rho g by A. This is equation first. So V is equal A into H. A is the area of container and H is the height of. So from the equation first, so we will get the formula for the pressure Gh, where rho is the density and g is the gravitational acceleration, h is the height of liquid. Next property is capillary tube. Capillary tube, it is the cylindrical tube which have the uniform diameter where the liquid is rise up or fall in tube. This action act by the adhesive and cohesive force. What is the adhesive cohesive force? Cohesive force, it is the type of force which is attracted by the same molecular force, that is called cohesive force. Adhesive force, which is attracted by the different molecules, that is called adhesive force. And vocabulary height is equal to T upon rho g r. T is the surface tension and rho is the density, g is the gravitational acceleration, r is the radius of capillary tube. So next property is the surface tension, and it is the property of liquid which is resistant to tensile force. It is occurs by the cohesive force. So surface tension is equal the force per unit area. So its unit is equal the force is Newton per meter. If we have covered in this video 4 to 5 property in this video. If this video is useful for you, so like and share, subscribe, make a study point channel. Thank you for watching my video.